welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen. This is just Jen's things. These are the things that make me smile. We're back in my loft today, and as you guys know, the holiday season is coming up very quickly for us all. And in this series, I am sharing some of my favorite brands to give you guys some gift giving ideas. Now, Sayabling reached out to me and they did offer to send me some pieces. Thank you, Sayabling. I am so excited. This is a jewelry brand and they are man-made, lab-created stones. They're absolutely stunning and it's a great idea for this holiday season. They come in this gorgeous box with a red ribbon. As you guys can tell, they sent me over 3 pieces. Packaging is just gorgeous, guys. So they did come with Sayabling. This is their card, and it's Shine As You Are. And it says like their website, Facebook, and Instagram that you can reach out to them. And then there are some coupon codes on the back of their card. They also provided a care card for how to like take care of your jewelry, like keeping it free from lotion and sunscreen, using a polishing cloth, storing your jewelry in a safe place, avoiding wearing your jewelry while doing like activities that involve water, things like that. So it is sterling silver, and then like I said, it is man-made, lab created. Really are stunning, guys. So they come in this beautiful, like soft blue box. This is kind of like squishy a little bit. This is the first piece that they sent me. You guys, isn't this stunning? This is gorgeous. Look how much that shines. That's just beautiful. I got mine in a 9.5 because I wanted to wear it on like this hand. It does have like a tag on the back, but since I know I'm keeping this, I'm gonna take the tag off. And I'll put it over on this hand next to my wedding ring for just a second. So this is my wedding ring. And then this is the Sayabling ring. You guys, this is stunning. As you guys know, I love pink. Purple's my favorite color, but I love pink. How stunning is that ring? I love this. This is so pretty. You guys, I am like a gemstone girly. I love color. That is so pretty. It makes my eyes pop too. Okay, so moving on to the other pieces that they did send. This is the second piece. I love their presentation. It is so beautiful. And then this is actually the second ring. How gorgeous is this? You guys, that's stunning. Absolutely beautiful. This one, again, I'm gonna take the tag off because I know I'm keeping it. It just, how would you not be able to keep this one? Okay, so again, I got this in a 9.5, so it would go on this finger. But isn't that just the way that it sparkles? That's incredible. Okay, guys, so they did send, because this piece, this ring, actually is a set with this tennis bracelet. And this blew my mind. So years and years ago, guys, when my husband Rob was in the military, he had bought me a diamond tennis bracelet. It was gorgeous. It was stunning. And then it broke in the middle of us being at like the commissary, and it came off. We never found it, and I lost it, and it just broke my heart. So the idea of being able to get another tennis bracelet, it blows my mind. This is so stunning. Let me go ahead and clasp it. Look how stunning this is. So my bracelet is in a 7.5, guys. I wanted to have a little bit of an extra room so that it would go ahead and kind of, like slide a little bit. I don't mind that. And again, the bracelet and the ring were a set. And I will tell you guys the carat weight of that stone on the stones of the bracelet. Look how much that shines. That is incredible. I know that we're having some incredible light today, guys, but that's stunning. Let me go ahead and go over all of the details for the jewelry. Look how beautiful that is. So pretty. It's just stunning, guys. Absolutely stunning. The quality is absolutely amazing. Let me take off my wedding ring and we're gonna switch these so you guys can see it like this. Okay. So it's a little big on my ring finger like that. Wow, that bracelet, oh my gosh. That's stunning. Absolutely stunning, you guys. Let me get the carat weight of everything for you. So guys, this one is a 4 carat emerald cut lab created blue gemstone, so 4 carat, set in rose gold. And again, that center stone is 4 carats. And it is an 8 to 10 millimeter sized stone. But how stunning, set in the rose gold. That is just gorgeous. I've never had a rose gold piece before, so I really love it. It fits really well on the rings or the finger that I wanted it to. And I love that size. Guys, I love things that are, eye-popping, you guys know, and this most definitely, that is most definitely eye-popping. Absolutely beautiful. So it is set in sterling silver with the rose gold plating, 4 carats emerald cut, lab created gemstone. Absolutely stunning, stunning. Okay guys, for this ring, this is a 6.5 carat. It is a lab created gemstone in the sapphire, and the bracelet is 21.5 carat radiant cut sapphire lab created gemstone. See how that sparkles? And I love the pattern, guys. That is just stunning. This is gorgeous. I wanted something for when we go to like my husband's holiday party, just a little bling, something to, shine and be absolutely stunning and gorgeous. And I love this piece. It is, and this was actually a set, and I believe I'll have all the information down below for the set. It's stunning, stunning. I cannot stop looking at this bracelet and ring. That is just stunning, guys. And I love the blue, how that just pops. All right, guys, so that is my Sayabling unboxing for you guys. If you are wanting something, you guys, I will say, I mean, we have gone through so many wedding rings over the course of so much time, and Sayabling offers some fantastic wedding sets as well. Their jewelry is really affordable, and it's something where, I mean, we're all saving so much right now, and saving up just to continue to give us, you know, the things that we need in life. But when you're also saving to go ahead and to do something like a wedding set or engagement ring, this is an affordable option, and I am all about that right now. And who doesn't love a little sparkle? So guys, don't be afraid to, you know, kind of reach out and look at some other options for giving yourself and treating yourself, or having your husband treat you. But absolutely stunning. Thank you, Sayabling. I'll have all my information down below. I just love that. You guys, how gorgeous. I love how it just shines so much. Absolutely stunning. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.
Don't move too fast, honey. For pictures. Not me again.